Hello, my name is Paul Victor. This is my CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript Project 3 main. In this video, I will demonstrate all the required features of my email application, including registration, login, sending and receiving emails, viewing mailboxes, replying, and archiving. So let's start. I will start by launching the Django um, development server by typing Python. I'm going to switch to my browser now and then launch it, the application from there. So the next thing now is the registration and login. So I'm going to register two accounts by clicking here and then so I will log out again, register at the second account. So I will log out again. Now I'm going to log in to the first one, which is Victor. So I've logged in successfully. Now the next thing is to compose and send a message. So I'll click on compose and then input the email of the person I'm going to send it to, the recipient email. So I'll click on, immediately I click on the submit button, it's going to save the message and redirect me to the sent mailbox. So I'm going to compose another one again. Compose again. Now the next thing is the sent mailbox. As you can see, all the message I composed all came to the sent mailbox. This is actually the sent mailbox, so I can easily view all the message I've sent from the sent mailbox. So now let's talk about the viewing of inbox view. So I'm going to talk about the viewing of inbox. I'm going to log out, then I will log in to the the mail I sent those messages to. Login. So this is the inbox view. So in this inbox view, you will notice that the unread message are all bold. So if I try to read one of it, you see that this one is no longer bold, but the rest are bold. So the next thing is to view the email. So I can click on this one and I can be able to view it. So and then at the same time also I can do a lot of things to it. Now the next thing is archive and unarchive. So I'm going to demonstrate the archive features. When I click on archive, the message move from the inbox to the archive mailbox. So opening the archive view shows the email there. Now, so I'm going to click on the first message and then I will click on archive button here. So once I click on the archive button, let me come to the archive page. So from this archive page, I see the archive message which the one I archived, the message I archived, which is a first message. So if I click on it, I can unarchive it and it will come back to the inbox view, to the inbox page rather, to the inbox page. So now, so that's that about the archive and it's working fine. So now let's talk about the reply feature. So I'll be demonstrating the reply feature when I click on reply. So let me just click on the second message and click on reply. So when I click on reply, the compose form opens automatically. As we can see, the recipient is pre-filled. The subject starts with re. As you can see, it starts with re, which means it's a reply. And the original message is quoted below it. I can type my response and send it back. So this time my response will just be thank you, Victor. So and then I'm going to click on the submit button. So for us to actually confirm that this actually works, I will log out and I'm going to log in to Victor. So that's Victor 3. As you can see, it's there. The reply is actually here. So if I come to send, my message is still there. If I come to inbox, my reply is also here. Everything works perfectly. So far, I've demonstrated all 7 required features: registration,